In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage workflows in Monday.com, step by step. Whether you're managing a small team, handling client projects, or organizing internal processes, setting up the right workflow in Monday.com can completely transform how you track and complete work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a workflow board, customize it with the right columns, automate repetitive tasks, and efficiently manage everything in one place. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity guides. Let's dive in. The first step is to create a workflow board. Once you're logged in to Monday.com, look at the top left corner and click on the plus icon, then select New Board. You can choose whether it's a main board, shareable board, or private board, depending on who needs access. Give your board a clear name based on your process, for example, workflow management, content pipeline, or project tracking. After creating the board, organize it using groups. Groups help you structure your workflow stages. A simple and effective setup is to create groups called To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can rename or add more groups depending on your process, such as Review, On Hold, or Approved. Next, let's add the essential workflow columns. Columns define the information you track for each task. Start by adding a status column, clicking on it, waiting for review, and done. Then add a people column to assign responsibility. This ensures every task has a clear owner. After that, add a date column to set deadlines and keep your team accountable. Finally, include a text column for task descriptions or additional notes. You can always add more columns later, like priority, files, or time tracking, depending on your needs. Now, it's time to add workflow steps. Click on Add Item within your board. Each item represents a task or step in your workflow. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you might create tasks like draft copy, design graphics, review content, and publish post. As you add each item, assign it to a team member using the people column, set a deadline using the date column, and update the status accordingly. This turns your board into a live workflow tracker where everyone can see progress in real time. To make your workflow even more powerful, set up automations. Automations save time and reduce manual follow-ups. At the top of your board, click on Automations, then select Add New Automation. You'll see a library of automation templates. A common and useful example is, when status changes to In Progress, notify the assignee. This ensures that team members are instantly informed when it's their turn to take action. You can also create automations like moving an item to the completed group when the status changes to done, or sending reminders when deadlines arrive. These small automations significantly improve efficiency. Finally, let's talk about monitoring and managing your workflow. As work progresses, team members should regularly update the status column so the board always reflects reality. If deadlines shift or responsibilities change, simply adjust the date or people columns. You can also use the filter option at the top of the board to view tasks by status, by owner, or by due date. This is especially helpful for managers who want a quick overview of what's behind schedule or what's currently in progress. Over time, reviewing and refining your board structure will help you optimize your workflow even further. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage workflows in Monday.com from start to finish, including setting up boards, adding columns, creating tasks, automating processes, and monitoring progress effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.